Hey guys, it's time to showcase another painting. We have a 12-inch by 12-inch canvas here. It's been sealed with numerous coats of a hard body clear top coat that dries hard like resin. We're outdoors, so the sunshine can display all this gorgeous metallic in this painting. I do not have a title for this one at this point. A few things have come to mind, but I haven't determined. I will probably come up with something before I post this video, but if you have a suggestion, I'm always open to suggestions. You can leave that in the comments. I really like this piece. It was the first that I had done with trying some cell activator and doing a blowout, and I think it turned out pretty good. This one will be added to my Etsy shop, so be sure to check that out. I will close for today, but I will be seeing you again soon for another paint party, so please come join me. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.